So you've clicked on the video and trust me, you're in the right place. If you're someone who's tired of surprise fees, high interest charges, or just wants full control over spending without risking debt, then prepaid credit cards might just be your new best friend. In today's fast-paced world, Canadians are looking for smarter, safer, and more flexible ways to manage their money, and that's exactly what prepaid cards offer. Whether you're building your credit, setting a budget, or simply want a secure way to shop online or travel, prepaid cards are changing the game in 2025. And don't worry, this isn't one of those dry videos filled with complicated terms or boring numbers. We're breaking things down in a real, easy-to-understand way that actually helps you decide what works for you. So if you're a student, a freelancer, a parent, or just someone who wants to keep their finances tight and stress-free, this video is going to walk you through the best prepaid cards in Canada right now. And by the end of it, you'll know exactly which one fits your lifestyle. Just one thing, since you've already made it this far, don't even think about clicking away. Watch till the end because the card you need might be the last one we cover, and trust me, missing that could cost you real savings. And if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe because this channel is made for people like you, people who actually care about making smart financial moves. Alright, let's jump into it. The best prepaid credit cards in Canada offer interest on your deposits and cashback rewards with low fees. To help you find the best prepaid card for you, we researched which cards pay the most interest on your prepaid balance, have the highest rewards, and have the lowest fees. We gave each card a score out of 5 and ranked them here from best to worst. The KOHO Extra MasterCard prepaid card is one of the smartest prepaid card choices in Canada right now. It's not just a card. It's a full-on money management tool built for Canadians who want control, rewards, and no debt. Since it's prepaid, there's no credit check required and no risk of interest charges, because you can only spend what you load. That makes it perfect for students, young adults, or anyone who wants to avoid the trap of traditional credit cards. With KOHO Extra, you get cash back on your spending, 2% back on groceries, dining, and transportation, and 0.5% back on everything else. That's more than what many regular credit cards offer, especially without any debt involved. You also get access to free financial tools through the KOHO app, real-time tracking, budgeting features, and smart spending insights that help you stay on top of your money. Want to build credit? You can activate KOHO's credit building program for a small monthly fee and have your payments reported to a credit bureau. The card also gives you price match guarantees through the app, which means if something you buy drops in price shortly after purchase, KOHO can help you get the difference back. With KOHO Extra, you enjoy no foreign transaction fees, which makes it amazing for online shopping from global stores or even traveling abroad. You also get faster direct deposit, so your paycheck or government benefits can land in your account up to 2 days early. The monthly fee is $9, or you can save by paying $84 annually, and honestly, the perks you get can easily offset that if you use the card regularly. Security is also a big win here. The card is powered by MasterCard, so it's accepted almost everywhere, and the KOHO app lets you freeze or unfreeze your card instantly if it's lost or stolen. For extra peace of mind, you're also protected with zero liability in case of unauthorized purchases. One underrated benefit, you can create virtual cards for safer online shopping, no more worrying about fraud when buying from lesser-known websites. KOHO also offers goal-saving tools, so you can set money aside automatically for trips, gifts, or emergencies without thinking about it. The user experience is extremely clean and modern. This isn't a clunky bank app. It's built like a sleek financial coach in your pocket. And because you can load the card easily via Interac e-transfer or direct deposit, it's super convenient for both full-time workers and freelancers. In short, this card offers real cashback, budgeting tools, no interest, and premium app features, all without needing a credit score to start. It's designed for people who want control, flexibility, and real value without the risk of debt. Whether you're trying to rebuild your credit, shop smarter, or just manage your spending better, the KOHO Extra MasterCard prepaid card is one of the top picks in Canada for 2025, and for good reason. The Wealth Simple Cash Card is one of the simplest, smartest prepaid cards available in Canada, and it's made especially for people who want modern, no-hassle money management without the baggage of a traditional bank. Card number 3, KOHO Everything MasterCard. If you're the kind of person who wants full control over your money, zero debt, real cashback, and premium perks, all without messing around with high-interest credit cards. Then the KOHO everything. MasterCard might just be your new favorite wallet companion. This card is more than just plastic, it's a complete financial lifestyle tool that's built for smart Canadians who want a little more from every dollar they spend. With KOHO everything, you get 2% cash back on groceries, transportation, and dining. That means every coffee run, every Uber ride, and every grocery trip puts real money back in your pocket. And that's not all. You also earn 0.5% cash back on all other purchases automatically. There's no need to chase rotating categories or limited time promos. It's simple, it's predictable, and it actually adds up fast. But what really sets KOHO everything apart is the premium app experience that helps you budget, track your expenses in real time, and even set saving goals automatically. It's like having a financial assistant in your phone, except it never judges your spending. You also get access to price match protection, which means KOHO helps you get money back if something you bought drops in price shortly after. That's smart shopping at a whole new level. And if you're someone who shops internationally or travels abroad, you'll love that KOO. Everything charges no foreign transaction fees. You can shop on US sites, book hotels overseas, or pay in other currencies without that sneaky 2.5% fee that traditional cards slap on every time. And let's not forget about faster direct deposits. Your paycheck or government payments can land in your account up to 2 days early. It also gives you access to KOHO's credit building program. So if you're looking to build or repair your credit, you can opt in and start improving your score over time, even though this is a prepaid card. That's a rare combo. You also get free financial coaching, access to virtual cards for secure online shopping, and premium customer support when you need it. The monthly fee is $19, or you can save money by paying $169 annually, which is worth it if you're going to take full advantage of the features. And if you ever lose your card or see something fishy, you can freeze it instantly right from the app. Total control right in your hand. Honestly, KOHO. Everything is like the VIP version of prepaid spending. No interest, no surprises, just rewards, savings, and financial tools that actually help you move forward. So whether you're a busy student, a working professional, a side hustler, or just someone who wants to make smarter money moves without the stress, this card is designed with real Canadians in mind. And yeah, it's not a credit card, but after using it, you might not even miss one. Card number 4, EQ Bank Card. If you've been looking for a simple, powerful prepaid card that actually helps you grow your money while spending it, then say hello to the EQ Bank Card. This isn't just another reloadable card, it's a whole new way to manage your money in Canada. The first thing that sets the EQ Bank Card apart is that it's directly linked to your EQ Savings Plus account. That means whatever you load or spend is coming from your high-interest savings. So even while your money's sitting there, it's still earning up to 4% interest daily. That's right, no minimums, no gimmicks, just real passive income while you wait to spend. And when you do spend, you earn 0.5% cash back on every single purchase. No category restrictions, no caps, no tracking weird bonus conditions. Every tap earns you money back, whether you're buying gas, groceries, subscriptions, or even grabbing lunch. The EQ Bank Card runs on the MasterCard network, so you can use it almost everywhere in Canada and internationally. And here's a huge bonus: no foreign exchange fees. Most banks charge 2.5% extra when you spend in US dollars or other currencies. EQ charges nothing. So if you're shopping on US sites, booking hotels, or just traveling abroad, this card can save you big. There's also no monthly fee, no annual fee, and no minimum balance required to keep earning interest and cashback. That alone puts it ahead of most prepaid cards and even some traditional credit cards. And the best part? EQ Bank is digital first. Everything from setting up your account, to loading funds, to tracking transactions is done through their super clean, easy-to-use app. You get instant alerts, the ability to lock your card instantly if it's lost or stolen, and full visibility on your spending, right at your fingertips. This card is especially great for budget-conscious Canadians, people who want to earn, save, and spend without getting dragged into credit debt or hidden charges. And if you're someone who prefers to bank online, hates extra fees, and likes a good cashback reward, the EQ Bank Card is low-key one of the smartest financial too.